With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question says, name a gaseous hydrocarbon commonly used for welding purposes. Gases used for welding purposes are acetylene, argon, carbon dioxide, helium, hydrogen, and out of these gases only acetylene is the hydrocarbon. So acetylene is the gaseous hydrocarbon used for welding purposes. And why acetylene is used for welding? Characteristics of acetylene are: first is it is highly flammable, and it is also considered as the hottest gas out of all the gases used in welding. It is the ideal gas for cutting and welding of steel alloys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.